Welcome to my channel, Math Class 1 Digit Subtraction. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. If you take one apple out of 3 apples, how many apples will be left? 2. Yes, 2. Good job. How many ice cream cones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take 2 ice cream cones out of 4, how many ice cream cones will be left? 2. Yes, 2. Good job. How many candies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you take 3 candies out of 5 candies, how many candies will be left? 2. Yes, 2. Good job. How many donuts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you take 2 donuts out of 5 donuts, how many donuts will be left? 3. Yes, 3. Good job. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe.